Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension, which basically it's a NPM ultimate editor or studio you may say. And using this extension you can manage your NPM packages directly from the VS Code. You can install new packages, update existing packages. So once you activate this extension, click the install button. You will see in the sidebar section it will add this option here, NPM Studio. Simply select this option, and after that it will show the all the packages that you have existing inside your package.json. Simply click this option, NPM Studio, and it will show you the list of packages that you already have. So as you can see, we have 6 packages. It shows you right in the sidebar section which version number that you currently have this, like this, and you can just click on that, right click on individual package. We have these two options appearing. You can update a individual package or uninstall this as well. So if I say uninstall, it will automatically uninstall this package, it will remove it. You also have the option to install a new package. Let's suppose click the add new package name, and then you can simply install. Just enter the name of the package and simply enter, and after that it will install the actual package. Here you will see that the package has been installed. You can even change the version number. Click update package, so it will update this package to the latest version automatically. So you will see that. So just right click update package. So it's very easy to manage your Node.js packages using this extension. Simply install this NPM Studio, it is called. It's fairly new extension, but it will save you a lot of time here. And you also have list of scripts here which you defined inside your package.json file. So we have the start script. So simply click on that and then it will start your application. You will see that npm run start. So everything is automated, so you can install new packages, remove it, update it, and also execute all the scripts that you defined inside your package.json file. So you can see that you can run, add new packages as well. So you just need to write the package name, then it will install this. Same goes with dev dependencies as well. So this is the extension. Definitely install it and start using it. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.